Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring Melodysusie. This is going to be the design video for the Melodysusie Fleurwee Gel Nail Polish gift box. The one that I had received was in Urban Chic. So the colors that came in Urban Chic was P29 Red Rose, P14 Gardenia White, P11 Sunshine Peony Pink, and P03 Black Rose. The colors that I'm going to be using today out of that collection, I'm going to be using Red Rose out of that collection. Then out of the Melodysusie PM 170F Travel Gift Box, I'm going to use the color P04 Camellia White. And then I had purchased a while ago when Melodysusie came out with the Fleurwee collection, I had purchased a couple of separate colors. Sage green was the color that I had purchased. I didn't purchase any like Christmassy green, but I figured I could go ahead and use this and just make it work. So these are all three of the colors together. I think they look really pretty together, so I think that I won't have any problem making the sage green work with the red rose or the camellia white. And then we're also going to be using the P Art 04M nail dryer. This is so cute. Okay, so I already have my nails on the practice hand. There's a few little things that I need to do, and then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get into the video. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really do love these colors together. The sage green I think looks beautiful with the red rose and the camellia white. I think these colors are absolutely gorgeous. But anyways, I just wanted to do kind of like a fun little winter, like forest, like little log cabin scene. And of course I had to have a snowman because I love snowman. and the Christmas tree. And then I just thought this was really cute, and that it kind of went with this red over here. And I just love the star with the little dots on it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much to Melodysusie for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will leave Melodysusie's information in the description box. I do have a 12% discount code now, you guys, so I will go ahead and leave that in the description box as well. Let me know what you guys think about the colors. Let me know what you think about the design. I love talking to you guys in the comments. Thank you again so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.